Kashmir. He was the next president 8 years back. Prabhu असलो म्हणजे बरोबर. Next day we met him at Delhi. Breakfast घेतलं. 15 दिवसांनी मागीर म्हणपाक तुका करपाक मेळचें ना. आमच्या देवानंद आणि दीपक म्हापशेकार बरीच झगडी जाल्या. सो भाईचे जे करपाचे असले ते सरान म्हाका चान्स दिलो. Before sir had joined BJP, I was not knowing him. सर जॉईन जालो बीजेपीन तेन्नाच म्हाका सराची वळख जाली. ताज्या पयलीं सराचे आमी एवरी डे गाळयो मारताले म्हणजे पण नासली कितें म्हणून ना म्हणून ना. एकदां म्हाका याद जाता म्हजे कडेन ब्लॅकबेरी फोन येतलो म्हजी आनी प्रभावाची झगडी. हांव मनोहर पर्रीकर कसो बरो आनी तो बाबूश कसो बरो. म्हजो फोन बंद पडलो for 30 minutes. But last 2 years, after becoming president, after close contact, I have seen great personality. He has an elephant heart, the kindest heart of all 40 MLAs. Somebody goes to him directly, to just 100% काम झाले. Amount may be anything. That is what I have seen in the last 2 years. The respect what he gives. म्हणजे तुका सांगतो म्हणजे रिस्पेक्ट म्हणजे म्हाका आतां ती संवय जाल्या स्टारबक्स कॉफी घेवपाची. ₹400. हांव शिवानी म्हणटालो प्रेसिडेंट चोड पण म्हाका आतां ते प्लेट घेवची पडटली. सो एवरी टायम एटलीस्ट 15 टायम्स आय कम 15 टायम्स स्टारबक्स कॉफी घेतले हांवें. आणि एवरीबडी 20 coffees, 25 coffees. And that cost around my entry year was 15,000 rupees. So, one more thing what I have seen is no grudges. ताणे अशें म्हटलें forget it म्हणून. आमी सुद्दां बीजेपीन आसतना सर ताणें तशें केलें ट्रान्सफर करुया बायलेक घेवन अशें म्हणटाले तसलें कांय चलना ताजे कडेन. इज मोर लायक अ हिंदू मोर देन कॅथलीक. आज हांवें चुलीनच म्हणा पण if you see I was there with him for the minority, but he was like Hindus are much better. म्हणजे Hindus are more cooperative. That was the thing which I liked, and a very helpful person. Thank you very much, sir.
I would like to thank Mr. Sanjeev Naik for the Sanjeev Desai for the kind words that he has spoken about me. I don't know whether it is real or whether there is always a saying, character is yourself and opinions what others make out of it. But I would like to, I liked the frankness that came out from Mr. Sanjeev Desai about the words that they used to speak to me before I came. It's fine, but I hold no remorse. So I thank you very much for all the support that you have given. You have really worked hard. In fact, for getting all the units of this constituency together, and we will be requiring your services always. This is not the end actually. I want you always to be a part of our team, so that we can all work together. That is success that Panjim can get under even your leadership.